for watching NatsO Zumba and welcome to Zumba Basic. We will break down the Zumba Basic steps so that you can learn easily and have a confidence when you join the Zumba class. It's about 10 minutes with warm-up and cool-down, so it's good exercise as well. Don't worry about making mistakes. The most important thing is to have a great time and keep moving. The dance steps will come along as long as you keep practicing. And today we have beautiful ladies here. Yay! They will show you example and have a dance with you. Okay, let's have fun. You ready? You ready? Yay! So today is day 4 and we'll do reggaeton. Reggaeton is like a Latin version of hip hop. So a lot of swags and attitude and a powerful movement. So let's do the steps, simple steps. Steps, step, 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 step. You got it? Hey, 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 hey. So it's about attitude. So your upper body lean literally. Bounce, 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 bounce. Add your arm to the side. Both arms to the side. Yeah. And the forward. Pull, 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 pull. Pull your arm to the side. When you pull, your knee goes down, right? And arm goes down, opposite way, right? Pull, pull, pull. You don't need to overdo, just a little bit, yeah? Pull, 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 pull. Got it. And to the side, 2 steps, 2 step, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your arm. Arm goes that way, but legs goes that way. Opposite again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And another one, pull to the side. Pull, 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 pull. This arm is straight. Yeah, you got it. Pull, 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 pull. Only if you can, or you want to make it bigger, twist your waist. Pull, pull. You see? Pull, pull, pull. The waist exercise. If you twist it, it's more exercise. Twist, twist, pull, 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 pull. Okay. And then, last one. Hip movement. Stomp, 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 stomp. Add your hip to the side. Add your arm. Imagine you have a towel. And turn, 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 turn. Keep it going. Hey. And the other side, always both sides. Stomp, 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 stomp. Add your hip, 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 hip. A cute, 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 cute towel. A cute, 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 cute. And turning around, turning around, turning around, turning around. Hey. Yay! You did it. All right. Let's go over with warm up and cool down. Yeah, we'll have fun. steps that we did, right? A single, single down. A single, single down. Woo. Single, single down. Add your weight. Let's move it.
no sé. Ella ruleando en mi cama y en goza. Nunca mi casa que se explota con una doce. No yo llamando más y ni me conoce. Llamando pa' qué, buscando que te mande chupetear. Irónico que el novio te me que baja. Después que viene bien. Llamando pa' qué, llamando que te mande. A ti te gusta el corrillo, pero esto siempre es metido. Noche de cara, mientras el marido de ella está tirando bala. Guárdame la punta de ella, voy en la sala. Este problema también acabó.